Upbeat music plays. Camera zooms in on the two steam mops placed on a table. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're comparing the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop and the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner to find out which one is the ultimate cleaning companion for your home. Let's start with the price. The Bissell Power Fresh is priced at $92, making it a great budget option for those looking to save. Reviewers have noted its efficiency and ease of use for everyday cleaning tasks. In contrast, the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner is priced at $119. While it's a bit pricier, many users appreciate its versatility and the time it saves them, particularly when cleaning tough surfaces. If you're looking for a more affordable option, Bissell might be your best friend. Next, let's talk about cleaning power. The Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop claims to eliminate *99.9% of germs. One reviewer praised it for effectively cleaning textured ceramic tiles without scrubbing, but noted that it struggled with built-up grime over time. On the other hand, the Schenley Steam Mop boasts high-pressure steam that tackles dirt, stains, and even mold. Users have highlighted its powerful cleaning capabilities and how it has significantly reduced the time spent on cleaning chores. Now for heating time, the Bissell Power Fresh is ready in just *30 seconds*, which is convenient for quick cleanups. However, the Schenley Steam Mop heats up in only *15 seconds*, making it a speedy option for those in a hurry. Reviewers were impressed by how quickly the Schenley got to work, especially when tackling last-minute messes. Versatility is next. The Bissell features a low-profile mop head, allowing it to reach tricky corners easily. Users appreciate its multiple steam levels and scrub brush for stubborn spots. Meanwhile, the Schenley Steam Mop shines with its *7-in-1 accessories *, making it suitable for various cleaning tasks, from windows to stoves. Reviewers love how it can handle different surfaces, making it a versatile cleaning tool in their homes. Lastly, let's discuss weight and usability. The Bissell Power Fresh is lightweight and has a *23-foot power cord for easy maneuvering. Reviewers have found it comfortable to use, although some mentioned wanting a better way to manage the cord. The Schenley is also lightweight and features a *180-degree swivel for better control. Users have praised its ease of use and lightweight design, making cleaning feel less like a chore. Overall, the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop is favored for its affordability and effective cleaning, particularly on textured surfaces. However, some users have concerns about its long-term effectiveness on built-up grime. The Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner, while pricier, is celebrated for its versatility and powerful cleaning abilities, making it a favorite among those who need a reliable and fast cleaning solution. So which steam mop reigns supreme? If you want a budget-friendly option with effective cleaning and decent versatility, the Bissell Power Fresh is your mop. But if you're ready to step up your game, tackle multiple surfaces, and clean faster than a speeding bullet, the Schenley Steam Mop is your hero. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments which steam mop you'd pick and why. Remember, product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean.